Oh boy, gumballs. What color do you think we'll get first?
White.
Yeah, white.
I think the lamb wants the gum. Silly lamb.
One.
I wonder what color this gumball is.
Orange.
That's right, orange.
Uh-oh, the baby got the gumball. Babies aren't supposed to chew gum.
2.
What color do you think this one is?
Blue.
That's right, blue.
Yum! The hippo likes blue gum.
3.
Can you guess what color this gumball is?
Yellow.
That's right, yellow.
Let's give the boy gum. All right.
4.
I wonder what color this gumball is.
Purple.
That's right, purple.
Do horses like gum? Yeah.
5.
What color do you think this one is?
What?
That's right, red.
Here, let's give the girl some gum. Yeah.
6. Whoa.
Can you guess what color's next?
3.
That's right, green.
What about frogs? I think the frog likes gum.
7.
All right, the last one.
That's right, pink.
Let's give the bunny some gum. She likes the gum too.
8.
There are lots of colors of gumballs. Okay, let's count them all.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow, that was fun. Let's count them again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Great job. See you next time. Bye.